think I broke. In my room cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch out. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon' fuck around and OD. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And that ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoke. You can smell a purple punch in that air, this shit poking.
What's poppin', GE? Gangsta boy, food nigga, back in another video. Yes, back with another banger, you feel me? Check this out, man. We are going to put the tire stickers on the whip today because it's looking too plain. It's been a minute since I got the new tires, then turned around and got new rims, and I had no tire sticker because the tire stickers are on the old tires, and the old rims are not on the car no more. So you guys haven't seen it since it's been done. You feel me? You feel, yeah, I'm waving my hand, goddamn. You feel me? So anyway, check this out. These are the old wheels. The old wheels are in here. Got them nice and covered up, so they will be for sale. I paid $1,400 for these. I think I'm gonna let them go for like $550, $600. We got the new tire stickers right there. There's all the goddamn nail polish to get the tires all from being all the dirt off of there. You feel me? All the grime. You feel me? Yes, sir. And then so I'm just now getting started. I said, damn, I can pick up the camera. So yes, we're getting started. But since I've done this already, I'm not gonna show you guys the whole process because there's no need for that. You can go check the other video, which I'll probably link in this video, so you can go see how to put it on if you want to know that. Or if you're new to the channel, you will see how the car looked before you saw this video. And make sure, to all my new guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. Hit the bell, scroll all the way up, hit all bing, so every time I post a video, you will be notified, which ain't that hard right now because I got so many high side hustles. It's ridiculous, man. I can't keep my head on straight, but I'm getting it done regardless. And when I got time, I get to it, you feel me? But we're gonna get this shit done. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this one tire off. It's raining, so I gotta bring it in here one by one, get it done. But tomorrow, I will be on some Tirestickers.com, you feel me? So I'll catch you guys when I get one done or working on one. I'll show you guys the process of something, but not the whole thing. So give me a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm going to show you guys an update. I got one tire done. I got 3 more to go, so I'm going to be up for a nice while. It's like 9 o'clock. So I'm probably going to be up till like midnight doing this shit, you feel me? But you guys never got to see the rim, really. So I'm going to show you guys the rim as well as the goddamn tire stickers, you feel me? I ain't going to make you guys wait, man. Check it out. What do you guys think? Went from the orange to the blue. No more 5-spoke. What does that say? Or what's my shit, man? What's my clothing brand? Grind Everyday Living Apparel. Got to make everything branding, so I went with Grind Every Day. You feel me? Grind every day. That's the mantra. You feel me? No days off. Like I said, I got a million side hustles. I'm up doing YouTube right now. I'm gonna be up till midnight doing this, so the grind don't stop. You feel me? But I had to get my favorite color in here. The blue. The orange went bananas crazy. Everybody loved it. But this is my favorite color. Blue and black is my favorite 2 colors. But blue for sure, because I'm from LA, you feel me? It just blue was my thing, you feel me? So I got the blue on the white. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do about my orange calipers, but you feel me? We're gonna upgrade all that shit once the engine swap gets done. But stay tuned for the next couple videos because I will explain why I do not have the engine swap now. And it's a good goddamn reason I don't have it. But trust and believe it will happen. Just know that about your boy. What I say I'm going to do, I do it. You feel me? But to give you guys some content in the meantime, between time, I had to upgrade the outside the looks. You feel me? It was time anyway. And like I said, at some point, my old wheels, which are right here, will be for sale. At some point. I paid $1,400. I'm letting them go for $550, $600. So, drop in the comments. Let me know what you think about the blue on white, man. Let me know what you think about the new rims. I don't know if you guys still can even fully see them. So it's black on inside. This whole shit was supposed to be black, but they sent me the black with a dark tint. But you know what? I'm just gonna rock it. Later on down the line, I might go ahead and get that powder coated flat black, matte black. Or I just might gloss out the whole thing, depending on what I do with the outside of the car. So, just a little update, you guys. It's getting really late. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you. I'm not gonna show you with them when I get them all on the car because you guys see it. It's dark as shit out there. So we might have to visit this tomorrow. But maybe I'll turn the camera back on and show you guys one more look when I'm done with all 4 rims. But until then, Be patient. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, make sure if you're checking out the Chrysler 300, you gotta hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell, hit all, and then scroll all the way up and hit all so you're notified every time I post a video. God damn it, you feel me? Give me a second, man. I'm gonna get back to this thing because I'm gonna be up for a while. Catch you guys in a minute. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm finally done. Like 4 hours later, man. I'm tired, man. But I'm gonna do a walk around and show you guys kind of what it looks like in the dark. But I'll give you guys a full view tomorrow if it's not raining. But like I said, I went with the Nipsey blue. As you can see, I got the hoodie on too. Feel me? So I got the tire flares and then the white letters, blue tire flares. Let's check it out. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the full view tomorrow morning. You guys will actually get to be able to see the whole entire rim, the new rims that I got, the new setup, and you guys get to see the new tire stickers all in one video. Feel me? I appreciate you guys for sticking through watching the whole entire video. You feel me? I really appreciate it. Make sure you don't skip any ads. I'm still trying to run it up. Still trying to make this one of a kind. You know, with one major thing I'm trying to do that really go crazy to add just my personal touch on my Chrysler 300. You feel me? It just, I got that touch. You feel me? You know what I mean? Like, so the only thing I'm missing is that one big thing. You guys know what that is already, but we're gonna get to it. But for now, this is what we doing. So I'm gonna check back in with you guys tomorrow. Then we're gonna close this video out, man. So let me wrap it up, man. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30 in the morning, man. I'm about to go knock the fuck out. You feel me? I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah. All right, GE gang. I'm gonna show you guys the whip. We're here at Walmart, as you can see. Cause I gotta make some lunch. Feel me? But I know you guys are here for the car, so I'm gonna show you the car finally in the daylight, even though it's dirty. You feel me? But let me know what you guys think about this thing, man. Switch it up a little bit. What you think? You see he got Nipsey blue on right now.
It's nice.
It's nice. You like it better than the orange? Yeah?
Yeah.
What you guys think? What you guys think about that blue? Let me know. New words on there. What is my clothing line called? Grind every day. Feel me? Grind every day, living apparel, man. This blue set it off. The orange set it off, but the blue, that's my favorite color. That really set it off. You know what I mean? I still don't know what I'll do with the calipers, but right now it's got like a New York Knicks thing going on with this, like the orange and blue together. But we'll worry about that later. Right now, new tires, new wheels, new tire stickers. Yes, sir. But let me know what you guys think about it, man. I'm loving it. You feel me? Blue, my favorite color, man. This thing set it off. And I'm back to getting them looks I'm used to. But I'm gonna tell you guys in Walmart, man, we're gonna go grab some burritos. I might show you guys how to make my homemade burritos. You feel me? What you think? Show the people? TikTok thing? I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff, man. So give us a minute and I'll show you what we buying. Yeah. All right, we're on the first aisle and look what they got brand new in. If it ain't these ones, it ain't hitting. Gotta be the jalapeno joints. Got to be the jalapeno joints. And then has to be the diced green chili. All right, this is what it is, the ground turkey. 93% lean. Grab a bag. All right, they don't got my burrito shells that I usually get, but we're gonna grab a 10 count of these La Banderita. I'll grab a 10 of those. What else? I know he don't want me to get no sweets, but I think I gotta get me some oatmeal cookies. But I'm gonna get at you guys as soon as I find those cookies. So give me a minute. So I found the cookies. These are the best oatmeal ice cookies. Those are the best ones right there. But we're about to head out to the checkout line, man. I had to have the water, and we'll catch you outside. So I made my famous burrito. Feel me? Boom, right there. Got the shells in there. He's putting tomatoes in his shit. And he over there smashing on the goddamn grill right there. You feel me? So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Let me know if you guys like the wheel setup I got now, man. Leave it in a comment with the flag emoji, you know what I mean? Marathon continue, feel me? I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, but right now I'm gonna get to this right here because I ain't ate all day. I've been fasting. Only thing I had today was a smoothie. So I'm about to F this up real quick, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit all the way all, scroll all the way up to all, and hit all, you feel me, so you can notify when I do video, man. It ain't too often, but man, get to it. I'm about to eat. God.